Here's the car that's gonna go to that ramp. Wow, that's so incredible. On here goes the car. Here he goes. Oh no, he's gone off. So that's like, oh, he's gone on the.
Test 1 failed. Test 2.
Quack, 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 quack.
Test 2.
Here you go. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here goes. Oh no, the obstacle. Oh no, someone left a glove on the. I wonder who could have that been.
You.
No, you shut up.
Test 3.
For the obstacle. Ready, set, go. Oh no, what's going on? Oh no, oh dear. Go to the cameraman. Hello, Mr. Truck. What are you doing? You're supposed to go on the ground, you stupid. Come on, hurry up.
Test 1. It's hard.
Oh no! Oh no! The obstacle made him crash. Oh dear! No, 5.
5.
He's gone over the club and then fell in the obstacle. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh no! He's made it. Oh, he's going around. Oh no! Oh. Looks like he's gotten stuck. Oh, what an epic fail. He's going on the ramp. Turbo speed, dude. Turbo speed. Oh, what's going on? What is he doing this time? Oh, he's going in front of the camera. Hurry up! Anybody wants to see this? Yes. Oh no, he has crashed in the cameraman's.
Okay.
One commercial break. Oh, there he goes. There he goes now. We can't see. Oh no. Oh dear, we cannot. Oh dear, he's got it stuck again. Oh dear. Oh, look at that ramp.